Hey guys, it's Beltrami from WE081119 Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 1314 Lawrence Street. It's right in the heart of the Heights. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1/2 bath, 2,557 square feet. It was built in 2012, and this home is being brought to you by Tina Mabry. She is with Gary Green, and she's having her open house this Sunday from 2 to 4. Guys, you gotta come check it out. This home is centrally located, close to Love Park, close to the new HEB. Fantastic home. Let's walk this house. So you walk into this home and immediately you see this beautiful living room with the wood floors, tons of windows which offer you this bright natural light. I just absolutely love the open brightness of this living room, dining room space. And after you walk in, you're going to the kitchen. You have this beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, built-in oven, microwave, 4-burner gas cooktop, beautiful cabinets, and then you have this large breakfast room area as well. Then you come up the stairs, wood floors all throughout the upstairs. You walk down the hall and you have the large master, high ceilings, tons of light again, and then you have this really nice large master with a soaker tub, seamless glass stall shower, 2 sinks, his and hers. Then you have this wonderful custom closet with all the custom build, all the shelving, all the drawers that you would need. This is just a fantastic custom master closet. Then at the top of the stairs, you have this really nice bonus room here. Again, the wood floors, high ceiling. You have the shelving here for games or for books. And then you continue down the hallway. You have the secondary bath here. Then you have the laundry room on the second floor as well. And then you have 2 bedrooms at the back of the house. Again, wood floors here. And then this is the only room upstairs that has the carpeting with a large walk-in closet as well. Both of the secondary bedrooms have nice large walk-in closets. So hey guys, how did you love this home? Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love that custom closet in the master bedroom. Come check it out this Sunday from 2 to 4 during Tina's open house. And don't forget about our interactive link that'll show you this home and other homes that are having open houses here in the Heights and the surrounding area. And if you'd like to see this home or any additional homes, please don't hesitate to contact me. My contact information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.